This is a turntable motorising kit, with a 4mm final drive, by Expotools. In the box, you will find the parts and motor required to convert your turntable. For auxiliary powered operation, an input voltage of between 1.5 and 6 volts DC should be used. The main component is a motor housed in a polycarbonate casing. The casing can be easily dismantled, giving access to adjust the gear ratio to between 2.6 and 625 RPM. The kit also includes colored wire. A dual direction, push-to-make switch. The main shaft screw and cog. And the final drive shaft with a 4mm diameter. The motor can either be powered by the included battery pack, or wired to an auxiliary supply. And instructions are included to help with the setup. The Turntable Motorising set by Expotools.